Washington Senate Republican leaders will share a series of Obamacare replacement options with their colleagues on Tuesday, hours before huddling with President Trump at the White House to discuss the status of healthcare reform. "We're at the point where we have to start making decisions," South Dakota Senator John Thune, the third-ranking Senate Republican, told reporters Monday night. Thune and others who have been involved in revising the House-passed American Health Care Act are expected to put several changes on the table during Republicans' weekly lunch, including ways to approach Medicaid cuts and refundable tax credits in the House bill. "We are narrowing the policy options, and now the process is much more granular than it was when we first started out," said Thune, who belongs to the Senate's Working Group on Healthcare. Senate Republicans are still struggling to come to a consensus on how to handle Medicaid expansion, which the House bill seeks to gradually phase out. Several centrist members remain vehemently opposed to deep cuts to the program, while their conservative counterparts continue to favor rolling it back. A Senate GOP aide told The Post that healthcare reform simply hinges on whether Republicans can strike a deal on Medicaid. The aide said a range of options will be discussed at Tuesday's meeting, but warned that draft legislation is unlikely to surface this week. To get a healthcare bill through the Senate, something GOP leaders hope to do before July 4, Republicans can only afford to lose 2 votes. Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, of Kentucky, who conceded last week that he didn't know how his party could get to 50 votes at the moment, is now aiming for a floor vote before the end of June, an aide said. Trump will host McConnell, Senate Majority Whip John Cornyn, of Texas, House Speaker Paul Ryan, of Wisconsin, and House Majority Leader Kevin McCarthy, of Calif. At the White House late Tuesday as his administration continues to pressure GOP leaders to deliver on at least one major legislative item before their August recess. Big meeting today with Republican leadership concerning tax cuts and healthcare. "We are all pushing hard, must get it right," the president tweeted Tuesday morning,